Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, March 25th, 2025, we're diving deep into QQQ, analyzing both the latest news and the chart data to uncover potential trading opportunities. Let's start with the news. Recent headlines indicate a mixed market sentiment. We're seeing reports about potential tariff adjustments by the Trump administration, with some optimism that the next wave may be dialed back. On the other hand, there's Tesla, with news of sales dives, so that is a factor to consider when looking at QQQ. Now, let's switch over to the chart data and see how these events might be reflected in QQQ's price action. We're looking at the daily chart to get a broader perspective. Starting from around November 2023, we can see a general upward trend, with some pullbacks along the way. Notice how certain dips in the chart correspond to periods of tariff-related uncertainty, as reported in the news. The market seems to react to these announcements, creating volatility. Now, let's zoom in on a more recent time frame on the daily chart, say from the start of 2025 until today. We see QQQ tested resistance around 540 in February, but was unable to hold. After dropping to a low of 470 in March, it appears to be building support around the 488 to 490 level in recent days. To get a clearer picture of what's happening right now, let's switch to the hourly chart. Looking at this time frame, we can see how QQQ has been trading in a tighter range recently. Support seems to be forming around 486, while resistance is around 491. Now, for a very short-term perspective, let's check the 15-minute chart for today. We can see indecision from recent candles. QQQ tested 491 but got rejected. So, what's the outlook? In the short term, QQQ might continue to trade within this range of 486 to 491. A break above 491 would signal a potential bullish move towards 495, perhaps a 40% chance given overall economic uncertainty, but with Trump hinting at tariff easing, then that possibility may rise. Conversely, a drop below 486 could open the door for a test of support near 480 with a 60% likelihood, since it has been a stronger resistance than support, and Tesla has been on a decline. Long term, I am still leaning towards a cautiously bullish outlook. If the tariff situation improves and the Fed maintains a dovish stance, that likelihood goes up, but keep a close eye on Tesla. Any further negative news could certainly drag down QQQ. Remember to always manage your risk and trade responsibly. Happy charting!